Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about my refrigerator. Now what you're looking at right now is my old refrigerator. It went bad this week, so all of my food went bad as well. See, this is some cheese that went bad. I had to move food into coolers all over the kitchen and in the freezer. Everything just spoiled on me because the refrigerator cut out. Right here you see some, what's that, sour cream. It basically turned into water. We tried to get our old refrigerator fixed by calling Sears Appliance Repair Service, but unfortunately that didn't work for us. Not only was that service terrible, but it was a total waste of money. They couldn't get it fixed. They lied about some of the things that they do or what was covered in the package, so we were on to something new.
Oh, that's actually a good price.
Okay. You can't really see it. So at this point, me and two of my kids went over to Lowe's to see what they had to offer. We had been looking around on their website and saw so many great deals. So I decided to pop up in one of the store locations, and there were so many different refrigerators to choose from. The price point was good, and they had, of course, great customer service. It's a pretty nice refrigerator, but you think of stuff like the milk. Where would your milk stand up at? And then you got this part right here, and that's where the ice would come in at. And that's nice because then the kids can just stand there and scoop it up. It pulls out. It's not so low. And then you got these cute little bins that you could put different things in. I like how the outside of them are labeled like that. Okay, so we're getting our new, why my phone doing that? We're getting our new refrigerator tomorrow, but in the meantime, we gotta clean this out. Let me show y'all what happened to the food that was left in here. You see this? That's not dish soap. That's molded strawberries. Very nasty. Very nasty. This all smells so bad, guys. If you could smell this, you will realize it smells worse than a baby's diaper. Okay, so at this point, we went to Lowe's. We picked out a new refrigerator, and it was expected to be delivered the next day. But as I mentioned a moment ago, we had to get rid of all the old spoiled food that was in the original refrigerator so that we can have the other one delivered. That was part of the service package that Lowe's offered, and they will haul away our old refrigerator that went bad. So that was one last thing we didn't have to worry about. But yeah, all of this good food went bad. Look at it. Looks disgusting. Look at the sour cream. It's water cream. And it feels kind of hot and humid in here. Ugh. I think they are here. They're here. Okay, this is the inside. Gotta take all these stickers off. So this is the new fridge. Some things they went over with me before you actually start using it is it takes about 6 to 8 hours to really get to the proper temperature. So you want to put your stuff in there or whatever you do, but just keep the door closed as long as you can without going in and out, because it'll cool it off faster. Here is the ice and water dispenser. Let me show you guys something. He said to allow this, the first gallon of water that comes out of this, you need to dump it. Don't drink it. I'll show you guys why here briefly. I don't know if you could tell, but the water is a little cloudy. Yeah, so you definitely don't want to drink that yet. And then he said that the ice, let it fill all the way up, which will probably be by tomorrow morning. It'll fill all the way up, and then dump that first bucket of it. Don't actually eat that ice. And yeah, but just let it fill up all the way. Now I'm gonna give y'all a quick insight on the inside. As you can see, I've already added a couple of things. I'm gonna be real brief because I don't want nothing to mess up here. I had to add those back. They're frozen solid though. And I got these little food storage bins from Amazon. I got some more on the way, but you know how I like to organize and have my refrigerator looking, which I will do, a grocery haul, a refrigerator haul, all that. I will show you guys that after it's all done.